ADCS Ot Kasanaw Bingli Miran 7 Pay Arrears Term Mikhavai Tribal Youth Council Manipurna Manipur Chief Secretary Representation Misang Haira 2025 Manipur State Krishi Mela Haupok Haira Agriculture Hina State with Kumrendra Nata Governor Palana Hang Haira Leisalala Tor. Aja Tangkhul Express Pvt Pau Ringyaophi Ningshen in a Pamidale. Pau Bing Mesaina Nang Rumsa. Autonomous District Council with Ot Kasanaw Pingli Miran, Khalei 7th Pay Arrears, Term Mikhavai Boda Tribal Youth Council Manipur TYCM General Headquarters na Manipur Chief Secretary Representation Misang Hairan. Manipur Service Revised Pay Rules 2019 we azingli Samira Chi Hayat issued 2019 Kaying Tarik Akaina 2023 Mayo Tarik Tumrada Akaina Dangtawi 7th Pay Arrears Banda Khalei Thakta Term Mikhavai Pohairan. Kala Fund Ngachapla Kahai Manipur Kapung District Bingwi Edisis Wuivang Indian Sarkar Ministry of Finance list Special Financial Baggage Grant Mikhavai TYCM na Ngakaw Hairan. Council Jina Kahang EDC employees Pingwi Mashun Kala Sampangran Saikoro Manipur Hill Areas District Council Rules 1972 Section 53 li Mihaidale. Kachikatha rules na ngaday da kahang maleilak Sarkar we Ot Kasanaw Pingli apply kasa Manipur Sarkar lila khalei fundamental rules supplementary rules kala rules kaday Saikoroji Council we Ot Kasanaw Pingli la apply sabapam pay leave allowance subsistence grant pension kala maram kate saikorali ngarai jada apply saya kaji hangan. EDC we Ot Kasanaw Pingli Manipur Sarkar na 2006 we na Twitter tarikhi rashungda we 6 pay benefits mihaira da council jina hanga. Janbao hi achon tarik thrada chiko thang mikshok na chithada sada 7th pay benefits kala entitlements khalei chila mi phalungra kaji council jina hanga. EDC employees in a kate department employees ngatam laga entitlements miran kamili ngatada khalei right to equality kala mashunli makashur na da council jina hang haira. TYCM office na take a kwet shurda autonomous district council where zingli employees tingshini shachiko hang chishatta chishat lately. Kala President's Rule Mararang Laka State Sarkar Financial Kachot later 7th Pay Commissions Arrears Kamili Kasak leisalala pai. Ara Manipurli President's Rule Lehauda State Budgets Fund Kala Development Programs being managed Kasa Union Sarkar na Yangsangda Khalei Kachi Hangda EDC with 7th Pay Arrears Chi Thaklak Eina Mishokra da Shitsanga Kachi Council Jina Pongshoka. Maram hi ridala Manipur Governorly Representation Misang Haira Sayada Council Jinahanga. Manipur Governor Ajay Kumar Palana Ajukumi State Krishi Mela Shomi Haira. Mela Ji Iboyaima Shumang Lila Sangland Palace Compound Li Rungmidale. Exhibition G State Agricultural Management and Extension Training Institute Manipur Kala Department of Agriculture na Makok Kamina. Governor Palana Kahang Agriculture Hina State we Kumrendrina Hina Lansin Sustain Sa Kala Haksang Saka State Krishi Mela 2025 hi Ningju Kamatha Kala Award Ngatsing Rokhavai La Agriculture Wuivang Sarkar Schemes Ngada Data Khalei Ji Hang Jite Khavai Apam Ngasaya the Governor Chinahanga. Governor Palana Kahang Sarkar na Agriculturally Katomda Farmers Bingli Taimaji, Paimaji, Yaukami, Pakamai Apong, Hangajite, subsidized Kala Financial Kangajon Hikatahi Midale. Kazip Chili Vakasang District at the day the departments at the day the Wimipingla, Governor Palana Karajan Kasa Sampanga. Mela Chili District at the day the Wina, Shom Shirin, Agricultural Akapakai, Farmly Kangsun, Watung at the day the Jitadele. Kala Sarkar schemes at the day the we benefits like Kazip Chili, Governor na Yangmichingda. Central Agricultural University Imphal with Vice Chancellor Dr. Anubam Mishra Kala Agricultural Principal Secretary Arun Kumar Sinha Anila Mela Haukapok Angrana Nge Chili Vazanga. Mingyawla Kahai Manipuri Folk La Kasanaw Ngashan Wizermay Singkame Mangka Mayang Lambali Assam Governor na Women's Achiever Award 2025 Ngaran Mihairam. Award Mikashok Angran Ngeji Vivanda Hotel Federations of Indian Chambers of Commerce and Industry FICCI Wishinaw Wings FLO Northeast na Makokmiya. Mangkhali machut khamiji ana Manipuri folk music promote kasai nang soda kanganui artist pingli jishut khami wuivang na ji. Zingkum hangmuti kada FLO Northeast National Sun Entrepreneurship kala Professionals Excellence li katomta rahai raji. Skill building workshop training programs kala mentorship initiative mga ina organization national bingli empower sadalay da hangam. Mangkana award chi kuida chiwi khayaji Manipur wi shangla kahai cultural dikisiri dedicate sai kala ngashanwi artsy machinga sa khawai savara gachi hanga. Manipur State Level Viksit Bharat Youth Parliament Festival 2025 Manipur Legislative Assembly House li mayon haira. Viksit Bharat Youth Parliament Festival Chili State wi khanui thot pingarumta raisang kahai intia wi ningrin maramli ngasan haira. Kazip Chili Manipur Legislative Assembly Speaker Tokchom Sadhyaprada Singh na Kala Manipur University Vice Chancellor Professor N. Lokendra Singh li felicitate Samia. Professor Lokendra Singh na Kamatwili Policy Assembly Khanui Thot Ping Shuru Kakwiwi Kankhana Maram Kasat Sangam. Youth Parliament Session Ji Hapok White TH Sadhyaprada Singh na House Shomia Viksit Bharat Youth Parliament Chili Ngale Haksang Resang Kavai Maramdi Ngapat Ngaye Kala Chanpei Kwikada Manipur wi Khanui Thot Ping wi political awareness kala leadership skills li katom khami atam ngasaya. Assam Shong Worshim na Termarin ngache khami mashok kavai shorkarna paikar khwihaira. Private universities ping na kadamnaw ping staff kala faculty ping li Termarin ngache khami ot masa kavai bill Assam Assembly na hortang pas sahaira. State Shorkar China University Katum Shokahai Bill La Pas Sahira, Education Minister Ranjoy Bichuna Bill Pingji Chithamia, Universities Ping na Religious Conversions Li Kangasun Ot Masa Paimara Kachi Assam Private Universities Amendment Bill 2025 China Proposed Sai. Kalaji Universities Ping Termarin Li Makangasun Secular Sada Laikavai Kasana. Assam Li Khalei Universities Ping Li State Shorkar na Kum Katum Witili Inspection Sasa Jira, Universities Haukapokli Saran, Permika High Condition Chili, Shur Ngasa Kavai Inspections Kum Katum Gachida Sara the Bill Chili Zanga. Assembly Jina EDEC Skill University Bill 2025 La Pasada, Higher Education, Eina Research Li, Katom Kavai New Education Policy Li, Kashur Private Universities Shora Kachimaya Haira. University Ji World Education Mission Sponsor Sada, Tinsukya Li Shorachi. Financial Sinkum 2024-25 MGNRGS wuivang Shorkar na budget lupa 86,000 crore allocate saya jidle. Mahatma Gandhi National Rural Employment Guarantee Schemes chi wuivang budget kami allocate kasa china jungmei tuya da hanga. Financial Sinkum 2025-26 wuivang la Shorkar na allocation chi lupa 86,000 crore chi retain sava da rural employment li katomra kachi hanga. Mahatma Gandhi NRGS he demand khalei atishurda kasa schemes sa to the groundly ot demand khalei atishurda fund leng sa khawai central shorkar na commit saya gaji hanga. Ministry of Rural Development na demand ji yangsang the additional funds darkar kasadaran Ministry of Finance li hangmiya ji. Pauhi Minister of State for Rural Development Kamlesh Paswan na Lok Sabha li kapit ngahan kaka mikasang PIP li pong kamina. Latluida ajuwi kamadaya bauping. EDCS ot kasanaw bingli miran 7 barriers term mikhavai Tribal Youth Council Manipur na Manipur Chief Secretary li representation misang haira. 2025 Manipur State Krishi Mela Hapok Haira, Agriculture Hina State with Kumrendra Nata, Governor Palana Hang Haira. Ajuwi Pau Healing a Jang Haira, Pau Nata Clay Nathum saikorali, Ringyaophi Kala Kamhai Simik Shong Sa Seran.